Hello, everybody. So here comes another week for the Connect of Science. And this time is Rangoli, which is spoken by Tanay, and he has connected Rangoli beautifully with physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. So here comes Tanay, who will speak about this topic. Thank you so much. Keep watching.
Rangoli, a traditional art form from India, involves creating intricate patterns and design on the floor using colored powder, rice flour, or flower petals. While it might not seem immediately connected to PCM, but there are some interesting parallels that can be drawn from it. The creation of rangolis also involves some basic principles of physics, particularly in the way material behave. For instance, understanding concepts such as friction, cohesion, and adhesion can help in determining how the colored powders stick to the ground and to each other. Additionally, the pattern created often played with optical illusion and perspectives, which are concepts rooted in physics. The colors used in rangolis are often derived from natural sources like turmeric, rice powder, and various other organic materials. Understanding the chemical properties of these materials, including their pigment, solubility, and reactions, can enhance the vibrancy and longevity of the color. Moreover, the process of mixing different ingredients to create specific shade involves basic principles of chemistry. Rangoli often involves intricate geometric patterns which requires a strong understanding of mathematical concepts such as symmetry, geometry, and tessellation. The design often incorporates shapes like circles, triangles, squares, and more complex geometric forms. Creating these designs requires careful measurements, calculation, and precision, making it a practical application of mathematical. While the direct connections may seem less obvious, there is a biological aspect to Rangoli as well. Many of the materials used, such as flour and natural dyes, are derived from plants. Understanding the biology of these plants, including their growth cycles, characteristics, and ecological roles, add another layer of appreciation to the art form.
So that was Tanay, who has spoken beautifully about Rangoli. Hope you enjoyed it. Do keep watching and do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.
Wat hakte dan